Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can rent a car on booking.com. But first I wanted to say that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I will show you my YouTube revenue statistics. So let's start. First go to booking.com. At the top you can see the car rental option. Click on that. And first you have to select if you want to return the car to the same location or not. After that you have to type in the pickup location, let's say New York Airport. Okay, the date, the time, your age, and click on the search button and will appear all your option or possibilities. Okay, click on one. And here you can find all the necessary information regarding the car. And if it's okay for you, click on the book this car. Next step, you have to type in all your personal details. After that, the payment information, and you are all set. So yeah, this is for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.